change this music up a little bit. There we go. Let me save that. Let me skip the song. Oh dear. Let's have a look. So apparently you can set a thumbnail for these things. Not exactly sure, but there should be a thumbnail visible, so guess we'll find out. Alrighty, let's keep cracking. So these guys here trying to get a system going where they can walk home. They get homes assigned to them and then they walk home. Just checking the audio levels. Okay, it looks like you guys can't actually hear the... Oh. The music should be coming through the stream as well, but it's not. There we go. Hopefully that's not too loud. Hopefully someone will tell me if it is. Alright. So these guys have houses down here. And we can assign them. So if I assign this guy here, see, let's pick a house. So NPC home 12, boom. We play. Oh, look at him go. So that's, yeah, that's NPC home 1, I guess. So if we... So currently I'm trying to get the system to work so that they get automatically assigned, basically. So let's see if we can do that. Oh. Let's bring up the code. So if now we have this schedule controller which kind of sits above everything and tells you, well, it's supposed to tell everyone where to go, really, to be honest. So all NPCs register as being idle, right? Now, for some reason, it's only the NPCs that I'm assigning that are going to their house. So I'm trying to figure out why that is. Pardon me. Let's have a look. So assign homes, this gets called up here. This is pretty, because this is quite an inefficient way to run this. There's another print happening, and it's all printing out null, so I've got to figure out where that's coming from. Okay, so it's checking, yeah, so apparently we don't have any homes, which is not good, because they should all have homes, right? When are we assigning homes? So we assign homes. We assign homes right before we schedule. So what happens if we were to do it this way? Nope, still not happy. Let's see if we can clear this. Yeah. Oh. Assign a home. So we're going through each NPC. Oh, and then we're assigning. Oh my gosh. There we go. There's the problem. That should fix it. Ah, no, it's not fixing it. How do I skip? So this, what's happening is it's going over each home. So for each NPC, we need to make it break back down to this level here once it's assigned a home. So if oh god, let's put that up here. If NPC dot home yeah, that should fix it. It might not make sense, but it should, trust me. It should work now. Oh, beautiful. Nothing makes me happier. Look at them all go. So the reason it's kind of laggy, right, is because they're all... It's doing that every single frame. Or like, not even every frame, sorry. It's doing it like every physics process. Which is obviously incredibly inefficient. So it shouldn't really do this, because this is stupid. Maybe it can do that, but let's see how laggy it is if we just do that step. Yeah, so we're going to make this also only happen every now and then. So we've got to assign homes. So we're basically going to do this. Oh, nice. Time since check. There we go. Time since assign check. Time between assign, time since assign homes. This takes the delta, and then we just say since assign check delta. Seems weird, but times it's a sign check. It's a 0. You have to do this shit to make sure that this doesn't run all the time. We don't want this running just continuously, right? So now that should only check. Whoa. So you see that little jitter? That's not good. Because it's... yeah. So we can get rid of that. We're doing too many calculations here. That's what's happening. And we don't like that. I shouldn't be checking. Yeah, we've got to think of a better way to like check all our guys, but only check it when it makes sense to check it, which sounds kind of dumb, but yeah, you don't want to be checking all NPCs like every second. That's the most inefficient thing you can do. So what we're going to try and do here is, well, we'll just let it run for now. For example, it's doing it every second, so we could tell it to just do it, I don't know, every 60 seconds. Let's have a look. Oh, and it will tell it that it's already been 60 seconds since the last check. Bro. Check. We're still getting all these nulls printed out here. That's not good. Let's have a look. Schedule idle NPCs. Schedule check every 60 seconds. Let's make them both check every 60 seconds. 60. Cool. Boom. Oh god. I'm being pushed around. Well, this is not ideal, but it's better than what we had before, I think, so let's have a look, see, eh? So they're now successfully, everyone's kind of going home, which is what we want. Ignore these ugly doors. They're hiding their faces behind these things. Let's try it. Nice, okay. So if we go down here, we should see them all filter into their own houses, which is pretty cool. Oh! This is pretty awesome, to be honest. So these little white markers here just represent like where I've told them that there's a house. So there's obviously an empty spot here. So we actually have some spare housing. I'm kind of tempted to just make like a whole bunch more houses, because it's so nice just seeing them all running around. Just checking with you guys to see that the audio is okay. Feel free to let me know, because it's always hard to tell when you're streaming. Let me see. Let's go down here. Some more of these guys. I should actually learn how to clone buildings. That would be quite cool. We're just kind of making some random buildings here. I know they kind of look gross, but I just want it to feel like there's a city. Let's put more people down. There, and then to get an entrance, you just put one of these guys. This can be a big entrance. This door's at the bottom. Oh, beautiful. There we go. It's quite nice. And then we take these guys. Oh, I'm still in the nice Jonah. I don't want to stop editing the tile map. There we go. So Command D lets us duplicate these things. Boop. So each one of these nodes, yeah, it's basically saying like there's a space here for someone to live in this house. Oh. And then the NPCs automatically move towards them. Cool. Let's organize these guys a little bit, shall we? So one thing I don't like about the movement right now is it does seem a little bit unnatural, the way that everything moves around. But that's okay. Let's have a look. Okay, go. Oh, be on your way. Shit. Look at them go. So another thing you'll notice as well is that these guys kind of move. See how they're like collisions? They because their center is like right in the middle. So they think they're not colliding when they're walking around things like that, which is obviously wrong. So they obviously are colliding with things. So that's another thing that I should figure out. But yeah. Not entirely sure how I should do that or what would make it look more natural. So yeah, any suggestions? Always appreciated. Alright, so now we're just gonna grab these guys. Bam. Got a bloody army here. Let's have a look. Whoa! Shit. Oh my gosh. I'm trapped! I've been taken hostage. So now we've got a nice little army of these guys. This is really cool. I'm really liking how they just swarm you. Oh. So what I'm going to do now is just... Shit, that's not what we want. No, I just want to move the player. Disregard how badly organized my file system here is. Player, let me see. Move him right in the middle there. We just chill. Now I just wanna enjoy the pathfinding. Watch it all work. I think this is pretty cool. I don't know about you, but I think this actually seems pretty efficient. One weird thing is these lines. Not super happy about those. Not really sure what I can do about them either, though, to be honest. Oh. One second. So paranoid about the audio quality on these things. Alright. I'm back. Do you guys think that the camera should be more zoomed out? I feel like it's a little bit intimate here. I feel like I want to be slightly further away. Let's do that. Player. Shit, how does this work? So the player has a camera on him. Camera 2D. Let's go. Oh. So many things, so many knobs. Woo! So we go 0.7. Oh, no. 0.7, thank you. 0.7. Damn, son. Ah, that's nice. Now we can see what's going on. I kind of like that. Alright, that seems to be nice. Oh. Now it feels like you move very slowly, doesn't it? It's kind of, these guys look kind of creepy. What's that, you know when they have those, like Black Mirror or something, with like their eyes covered to look anonymous? Images. Oh my god, why did I fucking look at that? Look at this. This is terrifying. Jesus Christ. It kind of looks like these things here though. But that's scary. I don't know why I looked at that. That is... Oh man. Shouldn't have done that. Not a good idea. Alright. So I'm pretty happy with the player collisions. So the reason why these guys here are not colliding properly is because they are just moving. They aren't sliding. And we need them to slide. That's the secret. Let's go find them, shall we? NPCs and NPC TSN. Hello, friend. Let me have a look here. Yeah, forget all this stuff. So what if I do this? What? Where's this coming from? Move and slide. I see how this works. So we've got... I have to basically turn this into a velocity again, because otherwise it's not going to be... It's not going to be happy, to be honest. So... The velocity is why, like, you know, in physics and stuff, things kind of slide around. Like, it doesn't look very smooth, and I'm getting these stupid lines for some reason, but when I slide around like this, I don't just stop. There's like a little... I kind of slide for a little bit. Like, as if you're running in real life and you stopped running, you don't just instantly stop moving, you know? So that's broken their movement, of course. So... Let's have a look. We need to figure out our new... we need to figure out a velocity that we want based on where we need to be heading. So the way we're going to do that, so we have this target path. I think you want to get, or I always forget the terms between, like vector mathematics are kind of tricky and big brain shit, so. Position, yeah, that's our current position. Sorry, that's the new position that we want to go to. am I doing it this way? This doesn't make much sense. I should really... So I need to figure out a velocity to chuck in here. Position.direction.2. Was I doing both of these things at the same time? That seems kind of weird. So I'd always move and slide in the direction. Let's open this guy. And then do... Yeah, where am I setting my new position? Because we don't want to be setting a new position. Get rid of that. W. Velocity. Yep. So we're saying if we have a path, we're gonna do this shit, right? If not, we just move and slide. But this doesn't seem quite right, so I'm gonna go check my GitHub to see what the history was of this. It don't seem right. Let me see. And the reason you can't see anything is because there's someone on the other screen here checking some previous commits. Okay, much. Let's just see what the old system was. Browse files. If you don't use Git or something like that, you are a fool, because that shit's essential, to be honest. Let me have a look. Okay, so in the past, I was checking if I got stuck. Yeah, it's very important to do. Move down path. If I had a path. And then I'd move anyway. What does move and slide actually do? So many questions. Ah, there we go. Okay. I've done me Googling. Figured it out. I'm back. Have no fear. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Move and slide. Okay, so move and slide is done through the kinematics body thingy on Majigga. But that is not good that we'd only do that if... Oh, we do it regardless. Yeah, that's okay. So what happens? Let's have a look. And let's move me back up so I can see... Hello. Let's have a look. Whoa! Fuck. Okay, everything works. Oh, look at that. They're colliding. That's the good shit. So the problem here is that, as you can see, they're getting stuck. So I think we've got to figure out a way to the old system was nice. Oh my god, look at them go. Because they want to like go through here, you see? So they're trying to like they're trying to get through here. That obviously doesn't really work. So it's not the slickest behavior, I guess you could say. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna Google it. Oh, what? The hell? What? Did you guys just see that? That was so strange. Let's see. Let's see. Google is so good. It treats me so well. Let's see what Master Google has to say. AI getting stuck. Someone please help. I'm trying to get pathfinding working nicely within the house. The house has walls. Front door looks like this. Ah, yeah. Oh man. So people seem to just be giving up. Choices keep developing. This is tricky. People seem to have problems. Oh, AI, why can't you be bigger brain? So one solution is saying to just... Okay, I'm going to try something a bit whack here. Oh, this is not going to work though, is it? So what if we go to our tile map? Hello, I want to edit you. So for the grass, for example, we click on this guy, navigation. Do some pretty radical shit right here. If we go... Nah, I don't want to mess with this. It's a stupid idea. Cancel. No, stop. Stop it. Alright. Cool. Oh, man. I'm gonna do what everyone should do and make a bloody post asking for help. It's the only way I know how. Let me take a little screenshot-a-roni. Da-na-na. Snipping tool. Save that shit. Stuck. Fuck yeah, this music's going hard, man. Can't seem to figure out. Someone please come to my rescue. Change. Excuse me. Let's open the good old paint. Back in 1 minute. Hold tight. Da-da-da. Oh, we be back. Look at that beautiful sign. Don't save. Ah, what was I stuck on? Oh, this is such a pain. Why does it have to be such a pain? This music's pretty hypey, eh? Just got to plug in my phone. Beautiful. Oh, all right. So, we want to get these guys to go through here, around these corners, but they're not behaving. See if anyone's answered my cry for help. Crossbows. Remember, kids? Always complain on the internet. Fixes everything. But as long as you flare it, everyone's happy. Just remember that. It's a secret rule to asking for help on the internet is you just add a little flare. Hey guys, I don't know how to do this. And then people come help you. So let's just undo this because this is annoying me. Da-da-da. Where was I just? NPC. So let's get rid of that line again. Let's get rid of velocity. Yeah, we don't need you. Alt system, please. Lovely. So technically speaking, let's have a look. This is fine for now. I'm kind of happy to leave it like this. Next up, we add hunger. Okay, so these guys are hungry. Where are you? NPC. Boop. It's a simple little color. Oh, where is it? Come on. Color. Oh, it was at the bottom there. Color rect. Add one of these guys. Bam. Beautiful. This is just gonna be how we know if this guy's hungry or not, right? So you make this background one red, then you duplicate it, and you make that one a nice greenish color, like that. Alright, and then we go hunger bar, full, hunger bar, I don't know, background? Foreground. I think that's how you spell it. And then we go. This guy's size. So we'll just add a script. Hunger bar. Okay. And then what happens is NPC will just dump something up here. Hunger level 0. Max hunger is equal to 100. So now the more hungry you get, the more that bar fills up. Sorry, the more hungry you get, the smaller the bar gets, but your hunger level goes up, just to make it confusing, right? So the number goes up, hunger goes... Fuck, I don't know why I made it this way around. It's obviously so much more confusing, but we'll just do it this way around, because whatever. So Okay. The good thing is the hunger bar just goes and updates itself based on its parent, right? Is it get parent dot hunger level? Okay, so now we do hunger percentage equals. Okay. I'm not actually sure how expensive this lookup is, so maybe I'll just leave it like this. Whatever. Hunger level. So if we divide our hunger level by our maximum max hunger. There we go. So that should give us a float, right? So let's just print. This is gonna spam so much stuff to the console, but that's okay. 0, because no one's hungry, right? I'm gonna change this song as well. This is a little bit intense for my liking, to be honest. Okay. Hunger level. Let's just make this 50. See what numbers does it say. Okay, so we're gonna have some rounding problems here. So we'll make this 50.0 because we want these to be floats. There we go. 0.5. Now we make it the width. That's all we need. So hello. Initial width is equal to rect dot or get rect. Get global rect, get rect. Which one do we want? Dot. Oh, one of these guys here. Let me have a quick look-see look. What does this return? Da-da-da. Just a quick Google happening in the background here. Get extents, bro. Get. Let's see what this says, because this seems a bit scuffed. What did we get? Scroll all the way to the top. Oh god, why am I still printing this shit? No, this one here. Yeah, stop printing that. Let's just see. What are we getting? 37. Yeah, right, that seems legit. 37. Cool. Initial width is equal to 37. So now we go shit. How did I resize this in my other thing? Let's have a look. color rect. Dun-dun-dun. I just want to read the docs for the whole thing, my dude. Color rect, please explain. Whoa. Get viewport. Draw. Damn, there's some hardcore music going down right here. Should behind. Let's have a look. Auto chess, where are ya? This had health. Unit.gd. I just want to change the size of this thing. God damn it. Scenes. The reason nothing's happening on this screen is because I'm looking at my other screen. Units. Here we go. Ratio. That's just the hunger percentage. Thank you very much. Initial width. There we go. That's what I get for plagiarizing my own code. With value size dot x. Oh, that's the ticket. There we go. These are now some hungry boys. Okay. Let's have a look, eh? Oops, shit. This music's making me want to code really fucking fast. The question is, do we just chuck, we shouldn't be chucking more stuff into just this one script, because it just makes everything so complicated. So let's go to our NPCs. Now this is kind of a gross way of doing this, but yeah, we can change. Just a node. Let's just add a node. Right? This one is in charge of hunger. There you go. We're going to add a script here. It's kind of a weird description, but whatever. Hunger. So this guy here. To decay is equal to, I don't know, 10 seconds, right? Let's do 10. Return. Times this decay is equal to 0. What does it look like? Oh, little cheeky little typo there. It's alright. Times this decay. So down here we just do all our decay logic, right? Get more hungry. So let's get period dot hunger level minus equals, I don't fucking know, 5. Get period hold on. This makes sure that this never goes below 0, you see? Very smart. So let's have a look. These guys should all slowly be getting more hungry. Not just that, but they should also start off with full hunger level. And then they're slowly gonna go down. There we go. God. Just commit some of the stuff because get bash. Yoink. Oh my gosh. Windows, why you gotta do this? There we go. Let's see. Grindy. Get add. Get commit. Added hunger. Nice. Let's push that stuff up. There we go. Oh man, speaking of adding hunger, it's making me hungry, man. I've only got water. Feels bad. Alright, let me check something on my other screen. Nice, YouTube. have a look. Oh, YouTube, you're so funny. Go away. Sorry, I just have to sort out. YouTube's complaining to me about something about the stream. So. Okay. Back. Okay, let's get this hunger on the road, eh? They're getting hungrier. I just realized what would make the NPC homes look a lot more flash. Scenes, NPC home. Let's make this invisible. So now, shit. They don't have these white squares floating above their faces all the time. There we go. Oh. Nice. Okay, cool. I noticed a whole bunch of NPCs went to this one, so I'm not really sure what's up with that, but yeah, I guess that's this problem for another time. So next step is carrying stuff. Okay, this is gonna be fucking difficult. Let's go to the NPCs. Let's add a node 2D. Carry spot. Thank you. That carry spot. Where is it? Cool, that's actually fine because we that's gonna be where the guy can hold stuff. Alright? Now the thing is, NPC runs into the store, obviously gets a bottle of water because they're hungry. So let's have a look. So NPC's gonna come in here, grab a bottle of water because they're hungry. Nice. So we'll put them down here. There you go. And they're gonna pick these up. Oh shit, hello. So if I do go to store. Alright, well there's a lot of work to be done here, so one thing at a time. Get past the shop entrance. Schedule controller. Okay, and then we do the most important thing is remove idle NPC. So now, once they're given something to do, they're no longer idle. Okay. Path of callback. NPC got to house. Where is it? NPC got to house. Okay. NPC got to shop. Funk. Target. So now, cool thing we're gonna do here is NPC got to shop. We're gonna add idle. What was it? Idle NPCs. Fuck, what was my add to idle? Register idle NPC. There we go. So idle NPC target. So he should be idle again. Also, add an idle NPC. Okay, so where's all this print coming from? I'm not super happy. I need to clean up some of this code basically. It's too many like random print statements and stuff happening. Let's see. So we've got print here. Yep. Ah, there we go. So, nope. Still printing kinematic 2D. Print. That's not it. Let's check in here. Print. No way. Wait, I'm not printing anything in here. Shit. Who's doing all the printing? What's the hotkey? Hotkeys. Find in files. Control Shift F. Print. Test NPC. Path of callback. Aha. There we go. So it's gone. Now we should see down here when these guys get home. Darn. Call function. Why is it not saying? Why is it not calling that? Yeah, so added idle NPC. Ah. Wait a second. What am I doing? This is what I want. I don't want that happening down here. There we go. Come on, chaps. No. Okay, added idle NPC. NPC got to house. So it should be running this. NPC got to house. For NPC, path of callback. NPC got to house. Are they finishing the path? That's the next question. Be at home. Oh dear. Animate. Yada yada yada. Get new path state. Move down path. Ah, it shouldn't really. Aha, okay, so it's trying to do the old one. Path with callback. Ah, I see the problem. Okay. Come on. Call back. It's gonna break everything. Return. Don't go down here. Path is equal to path. Callback dot path. Vectors. Bam. Let's take that. Return. Do not break, please. Thank you. Okay. Path of callback dot finish path. Target. Okay. Shit. This is getting very complicated. Oh dear. Path isn't... Let's delete all of this shit. Delete all of this. Time at home. Time to leave. That can stay. Leave shop. Go to hangout. Leave that in for now. Man, it feels so weird just deleting all this stuff that you were using at one point. Chick stuck. I think we're gonna get rid of the chick stuck thing as well. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh, actually, hold on. Yeah, I can get rid of that as well. Whoa. Because this does that in the physics process. Smart. Okay, ready. If home. No, fine. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Don't even need that. Think I can leave that. Think I can get rid of that. Can get rid of that. Last target point. Get rid of that. Let's see. Get rid of that as well. That can stay, that can stay. Okay. Break. Invalid set index path. NPC dot path with callback. Did I typo this? Path. Yes, I sure did. There we go. If not, path with callback. Oh, nice. Very cool. That's what happens when the letter C doesn't work on your keyboard. Path with callback. There we go. Oh shit, it actually opened up. Big surprise. Why do I seem so surprised? Okay. Jeez. Oh man. This refactoring is doing my head in, man. This is hard work here. Shit. Oh. Very kind, everyone that's dropped a cheeky like. It's very sweet of you. Beautiful human beings. Oh man. Sorry, my brain, I just need like 2 seconds to drink some water. Because my brain is fried from doing this refactoring. I'm super stoked though that everything isn't broken basically. Because that's the classic thing that normally happens when you do some refactoring. Everything just breaks, you know. Whoa. Just gonna quickly check what my Reddit thread, anyone's come to rescue me there. That's a firm no. No one's come to help. RIP. Oh well, that's okay. We don't need Reddit anyway. We can figure this shit out on our own, right? Look at them getting hungry now though. That's what we want. Now I've got to figure out why they're not moving anymore, eh? If not, path of callback, return. Well, there definitely is a path of callback. Let's have a look. Oh, goodness. No path, you idiot. Save that. Run. No path, okay. I'm being insulted. Schedule controller, come on mate. Path of callback. Path of callback. Someone please tell me what I'm missing here. Path of callback. This should definitely work now. Checkpoint. Really. Physics process. Time spent going to point. Well, we can get rid of that as well. Isn't it beautiful just deleting lines of code? Oh, it feels so good. Move down path. Print. This one has a path, so you not. That's stupid. And I love heart. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, I'm not that stupid. There we go. Everything's better. This one has a path, so you're not that stupid. Okay, so path is equal to this. Yep. Alright. Excuse me, but why none of y'all moving? Hmm? Not okay. Navigation 2D. If not path.size. Print position. What did I do? Why are they not moving anymore? Velocity? No, we don't need that. Ah! Oh no. Oh, I got so excited for a second there. I thought that maybe this was the culprit. Animate. They don't think they've finished the path. They definitely think they've got a path because they're printing that. Let's try this again. Do they know that they're not moving? Guys, please move. Okay, so let's have a look at this, right? We've got our army here. In our old version of this, NPC, everything was happy. We go back here. Back. Come on. No path. Back. Be at home. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of this whole thing. Get new path to state. Check stuck. We don't even need this whole function anymore. Get out of town. There we go. Let's have a look. NPC callback. Yeah. So like invalid set index. Oh, that's because my typo is still there. Let's go back here. Path of callback. Add a C. Let's look for it without the C because I'm an idiot. Do I have it anywhere else? Yes, of course. Callback. Okay, nice. Fixed all my typos. So what's interesting? So let's say I've got my path of callback, and then I also just have my path here, which is pull vector to array. Writing that makes me feel smart. It sounds very like mathematical, you see? So that's what they follow, right? To get to where they need to go. Our schedule controller gives them that. So if that is equal to the path, they're not moving anymore. Very rude. Please move again. What did I think I dropped a line somewhere. Remove idle PC, idle NPC. Okay, so we'll go back to NPC. So I'm kind of overriding what the path is here. So we'll just do this. Move down path. Alright. Hey! Wow! Thank you very much. Very proud of myself here. Disregard everything breaking, that's okay. That's a normal process, that's a normal part of my process, you know. Normally when I make stuff, that happens. Okay, so then what happens if we go schedule controller? Can I do some kind of fancy emote in the chat, like some kind of firework? Is that a dab? Shit. Oh, elbow cough, yeah. Can't see it right now, but I'm dabbing. That's what we want. Okay, cool. NPC dot callback, path of callback. Path of callback equals path of callback. There we go. So now when they finish, there should be some print messages. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. It's not just breaking. That's exciting. So now we want them to be able to hold stuff so that they can carry shit around, right? So if we think about it, let's open a beautiful paint.net, right? So we've got, oh. So, okay, I'm hungry. Go shopping. Alright, I'm at the shop. Find, oh, what? Okay, that's cool. Find water. There we go. Whoop. Alright, well, I find water, pick it up. Okay, so when this guy gets to completely hungry, but he's also only when he's idle, right? So this is what the schedule manager deals with. The schedule controller here. So idle NPCs, register idle, yada yada. So once he's idle again, the next time that we schedule idle NPCs, so this is sends them home, right? So we'll send NPC home. NPC. Boop. We'll pull this out. Schedule. Move this into here. Like that. So this basically means that we're only going to send these guys home. Send NPC home. Send NPCs home. Yeah, so we want that to be here. Boop. Send NPC home. NPC. So this is basically just like kind of what we'll bounce this back to. It's kind of a little fallback. NPC is home. We'll just have this open on the other side, so we have something nice to look at. Beautiful. Let's make this a bit smaller. There she goes. Just check some things. Checking some very important admin things again. Make sure the stream's healthy. Let me see. Hope you're surviving the dubstep. I know it's a little bit intense for some people, but it's just the way it is, mate. Alright. Yep. Back to it. Focus, Jonah. Oh. Hey, nice and frozen. Get index home on now. Full screen that shit. home or null? Send NPC home. So we can take this bit here, uncomment this. If not, return, right? Because we don't have a house, if that's the case. If nothing else to do, then we just always send NPC home when they are idle. Whoop. So as I said, pretty much, if we can't think of a better task for the NPC to do, they'll just get sent back home. You can see in the bottom here, guys are idling because they've reached home. So once they get home, they become idle. Let's get these guys buying stuff, eh? So, shopping manager. How do I hand off a responsibility of an NPC to a shopping manager? This is the tricky thing. Send NPC home. What? One item nil. That's no good. So these should all be NPCs, right? If not NPC, print. This should be impossible. What the fuck? Okay. Let's see if we get to that print statement, because like I said, that should be impossible. That should never happen. So they're all idle. That's cool. How could something be both? I have a suspicion this has to do with the arrays. Okay, anyways. They pick up water bottles. They go in here. I'm just trying to think of who's responsible for this, right? So an NPC is being sent to the shop, they have a path. They could register with shopping manager. That's an idea. It's a bit of a weird idea though, to be honest. So I'm not quite sure. Let's bring up our old paint. Back in 1 min. There we go. Oh, mate. Oh, the one downside of consuming so much bloody water. Jeez. It's, you know, you've got to take a lot of breaks, if you know what I mean. Let's put that away. Oop. So normally my instinct is to just rush into this shit without planning it. That doesn't normally go so well, to be quite honest with you. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a go, yeah. So, okay, so this is at shop. Oh, hello. Just forget how he gets to the shop. Alright? All that we know is that they get to the shop. At shop. Yeah, see, this is the thing. How does it know that it wants to buy water? Because it's hungry, of course. So, how are we controlling the logic around what does it, you know, who is responsible for the NPC while the NPC is shopping? Huh? Question mark. That's the problem, right? And then, so what? So an NPC can be carrying water. So we have a shop manager. So, entered shop. Shit. Heading to water. Paying for water. Go home. Actually, what we could do is we could just skip this whole step here. But oh, that was supposed to delete. That's what we want. Delete. There we go. So we just go heading to water, right? When you're thirsty, you head to the water. Makes sense. Then you pay for the water. And then you go home. But you got to take water. So you take the water. Take water home. There we go. Makes sense to me. Paying for water. But now I know what you're saying. Ah, we don't have money. Yeah, you're right. Fucking, let's forget that for a second and just make the NPCs grab the water, shall we? Okay. Let's also think about who deals with like holding things. But now let's do what any bad developer would do. Just go in here and drop another variable in. So everything seems to work at the moment. So we'll just delete all this shit. Register idle NPCs. Yep, cool, go away. Remove that, remove that, remove that. Remove that, remove that. Oh my gosh, we have so much stuff we can just remove. Now let's pull back path target. So everything should still work. Let's have a look. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. They're so happy. So, one thing you'll notice about the shop, it doesn't have walls. That's okay. Our shop is a very relaxed establishment. Okay? You just grab your water and then yeet out of it. So this is what we're going to do now. NPC, this is where he'll hold the water. Right in the middle. Oh, hello. I don't know. Item in hand? What should we call this? Okay, so the item in hand. This is kind of a strange... thing to call it, but I guess it makes sense. So the carry spot, the item in hand is always going to be in the carry spot, right? So we go here. So we go place item in hand. I don't know. Just say it has to be a node 2D, right? That makes sense. Okay. Carry spot. Good. Carry spot. Dot add child item. Okay, that makes sense. Now, just to test this, let's put a bottle in his hand. Bottle prefab equals preload bottle. Okay. Ready. Place item in hand. Bottle prefab dot instance. Okay, I always forget how to make new things. Identify isn't a valid type. What did I accidentally delete? Ah, there we go. Oh, look at that! Fucking hell! These guys are going to get hydrated. They've all got bottles in their hands. That's kind of cute. They've all just run home with water bottles in their hands. That's kind of cool. So now we're going to make it. They're going to come in here, right? They're going to get a water bottle. Ooh. And then they're going to bring that water bottle home. So that it can hydrate at home, right? That's what you'd do if you were thirsty and you were a little slime. Although, the thing we're using to track how thirsty they are is called hunger, so let's just pretend that that's not happening. But apart from that, totally legit, right? So let's have a look. This guy, what do we need to make him go home? Oh, this is so strange. This happens every now and then. Index on base, output. This should be impossible, see? I'm even printing this error. I don't know if you can even see that, if the resolution's high enough, but that should be impossible. That's why I call it. That's why that error is called that. It's so infuriating. Okay, so these guys clear out down here. Let's not place an item in their hands for now. NPCs. So it's good to know that that works. Okay. So schedule controller. Alright. We're going to checking out idle NPCs. Now, let's just say send to get water NPC. Pass. If NPC, oh crap, NPC dot, if NPC dot, oh hello, everything's breaking, dot hunger, less than 50, send to get water, return. There we go. NPC. Thank you. And then we're going to go to our water bottles and make sure that they are properly registering themselves as water bottles. Right. Bottle. Where are my bottles? There we go, beautiful. Bottle, add a script. Let's put these in the scripts so that they're going in the right spot. Save, okay, cool. Actually it doesn't need to have, you can just, I figured this little trick out recently, you can just go groups. Bottle. Okay, cool. So the script can just chill here, empty for now. Schedule controller. Let's have a look, shall we? Send to get water, NPC. Oh. Just steal all of this stuff actually. Get a simple path, NPC position. So bottles. This is the weird thing, right? Bottles is equal to get tree. Bottle. If not bottles dot size return. This isn't smart because it. Oh, whatever. Get tree. Let's go here. If not bottles, not size, return. So it just won't do anything, right? If we can't find any water, so maybe he'll die. We don't know. Not ideal because the function calling. Not ideal. Sorry. So we should probably be like letting the parent function know that this failed, right? But we're not doing that because we're silly. Nice. Restream is being kind of shit. Sections. There you go. Okay, fix that. That's good. Cool. Alright, so... if no bottles, we forget. But, path, get some path. Let's go. Bottles, 0. Dot position. Okay, that should work. NPC got bottle. NPC got 2 bottle. Bars. Okay. Got 2 bottle. Oh, this is so strange. Okay, schedule. Got 2 bottle. Makes sense though. Cool. This format is also kind of weird, but we're just pretending it's not the case right now, alright? So, ignore. Invalid get hunger. What am I calling it? Current. Hunger level. Schedule controller. It's always great when you're not consistent with your own naming conventions. One thing we can add to our bottle. Held. Right, so there's an NPC holding this guy. So we'll go to our schedule manager, schedule controller. Send to get order for bottle in. Why did it do that? That was so weird. For bottle in bottles, if bottle dot held continue. And then we go do this shit here. Bottle, easy. Right, so basically we're only going to be picking up bottles that aren't held. Makes a lot of makes a lot of sense, right? So let's have a look. Print sending NPC to get water. Should probably not put that in there. And what I'm going to do, let's run this. So they all instinctively go home because none of them are thirsty enough, right? But if we make them thirstier, got to bottle. No, you didn't. Don't lie to me. Got to bottle. Why? Hold up. Let's check this out. Are these that I just drop in? Nice. Yeah, I just dropped in bottle sprites. Very smart. Let's go water bottle. Delete those guys. And apparently there's a bottle chilling out here somewhere. Blue bin, cardboard box. What's the bottle doing out there? I'm so confused. Filter node. Bottle? What? That is so strange. Shop area tile map. Should definitely not be a bottle up there. Shop area. So there's a rogue bottle somewhere. Should definitely not be happening. It's very strange. What? I don't know what the bottle is up there. Local, remote. Game. Someone's got a... I see. It's very weird. So let's just try and drag some bottles out here. If I put a bottle here, what happens? I think he wants to get it. No. Where is... So if I click on the bottle... definitely shouldn't be a child of the player. Okay, that's cool. Nice! That's what we like. Let's put that in there. Shit. Oh, this infuriates me, man. I don't want to see that collision shape. There we go. Bottle, bottle, bottle. Okay, try again. So it's very bizarre that it's only... So let's go back to here. Pathfinder needs to actually say that it's on its way. Seem to get water, NPC, yeah. Bottle dot targeted is true. Let's try that again. Why? So the question is, why is it only doing the first NPC? Ah, shit. There's your problem. Oh no, it's not. Sending NPC to get water. Let's check. Why is bottle 8 the chosen one? Let's go back to here, schedule controller. Bottle 8, for some reason, this guy just fucking loves bottle 8, man. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, what have I dragged? What am I dragging? I have a feeling it has to do with this loop here. Seem to get water. 3 bottles. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's weird though. Let's print which bottle it's going to, so we can see. So sending them all to go to get different bottles. This is another problem. So modified, not ideal. So we shouldn't really be. Yeah, let's put a to do here. To do fix this logic smarter and safer. So we should really be doing that somewhere like a better spot. Not the way that we're doing it currently. It's not super smart. So look. God damn. Let's try run it again. So there's just one guy going to get water. We want many guys going to get water. It's true pain. I think it's because the other guys. Oh, it keeps fucking. Nice. Yeah, I'm stupid. Return, send to get water. I need to stop. It's seen it, it's... Yeah, there we go. Fixed it. Oh, they were trying to get all the bottles. Now these guys should try and go home. So send to get water. If send to get water. Continue. Send to get water. exception, true. False. Okay. Now everyone should be doing something. There you go. They all go to get their own bottle of water. Okay. NPC got to water. NPC got to bottle. Got to bottle. Fred got to bottle. Target. So target is actually an NPC, I believe. Oh, hello. There we go. NPC. Come on. Target dot item in hand is equal to. Oh shit. Okay. Item targeted. Item that this NPC is working towards. Okay, so the schedule controller. You get to the water. Target item in hand. We're getting to the water, and then we want to hold it. So bottle is equal to target dot target item targeted. Item in hand is equal to target dot place item in hand. Bottle dot held is equal to true. Bottle dot targeted is equal to false. Let's see what happens. Ah. Check schedule, send to get water. NPC dot item targeted is equal to bottle. There we go. Hold up. No, this should work. Should work. Whoa. Strobe light, man. So you get to the shop, go to bottle. Let's find out when we're calling that. Yeah, bottle, path callback, path find. Path. Yep, we're telling it to go and get some water to hydrate, because hydrating is good for you. Bottle targeted. NPC Item targeted. Okay. So the schedule controller is saying, hey, here's your thing. Go find it. Tell me when you're done. Got to bottle. So it should be impossible for... So what's currently happening, right? These guys are getting to the bottles. These water bottles. This is this fucking dude up here. He's so fast. He gets up here. And then... he says... hey, I got to the bottle, man. But there isn't a bottle up here. This guy's hallucinating. And I don't know... whoa. I don't know why he thinks that there's a bottle up there. Because there obviously isn't. Where did the restream track go? There it went. You see the conundrum? Very strange behavior. So... if I just did all that... see this guy up here? These guys all go to get their bottles. To hydrate. Yep. Nice. Makes sense. This one dude... he sees something up there. I don't know what it is that he sees. Okay. Whoa. Let's put that over there. Try and figure this thing out. So you can actually go into the remote to see what the current scene is. The problem is, I have no idea what that guy's name is. But I think it's the dude... it's the dude in the top left that always goes up there, causing trouble. Okay? Let's see what his problem is. What's your problem, mate? What's this guy trying to do? So his name is just NPC. Plain old NPC. So we run. We go remote. We find NPC. Inspector. Yeah. Object 2. Oh, and the plot thickens. What's object 2? Item target, object 211. Node 211. What kind of object is this? Oh, I'm so curious. What is this object? Apparently there's something at these coordinates. 19 visible. So far, okay, let's just see if... oh, hello. We go back up here. So for some reason there's a shop area up here. What's your problem? Go look here. Okay, so let's undo that. But let's move the shop area. There. Okay, try again. Okay, so he's still seeing something up in the left. Jesus Christ. Tile map. Nav 2D. What are you seeing up there, dude? Oh shit. No, let's just... Whoa! That's not what we want. Oh my god. I don't want shop area. Did it not just... Why is it doing that? It's so strange. So this thing here, we can put there. Okay. Move that over there. Save. Run. Okay. Okay, over there, stay, sit. Now we want to move the shop area to there. Alright. There we go. Stay, put. Okay, cool. So we've got our nav 2D. So we put this guy down here. Script collision. Fix the tile map real quick. There we go. Okay. Tile map has been fixed. Where are you? Lovely. Looks okay, cool, that's what we want. Okay. What's wrong with this one NPC? Will be something really simple. So it's always the first NPC. So if I were to delete him, play this. Okay. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. It's always the first NPC. All right. What does the first NPC have in common? Go to the schedule manager. Okay, check schedules never called. That's cool. Schedule idle NPCs. We're going through each NPC that's idle. If he's hungry, send him to get water. Right? If that doesn't work, we continue. So, if that doesn't work, we send the NPC home. just return. Just stop that from bringing. So we'll send the NPC home. If alright, we're going here, yada yada. Tree get nodes in group. Now to the bottles. Get tree bottle. Do NPCs still have a home that can be set externally? That's the question, because that could be fucking things up a little bit here. Export, nope, nope, you can't do that anymore. My brain does not understand. Is it possible to see all the items in groups? Also, I gotta change this music, man. It's a bit crazy, to be honest. Let's see. From Inspector? Does that make sense? Alright, well, I think this has been enough progress for now. I'm gonna cut the stream short for now. It's gonna be a video live later today, or potentially over the next couple of days, so I look forward to that.